traders, staying cold. No emotions that letting the charts unfold. Price don't care how you feel inside. Stick to the plan, let the trade decide.
Emotional traders, worst in the game. Chasing the hype, then shifting the blame. FOMO hit, now they overpay. Price pull back, they run away. Panic sell, then watch it rise. Now they mad, tears in their eyes. Seasoned traders don't play that route. Stick to the plan, no fear, no doubt.
No emotions, trade it right. Stick to the rules, no fight or flight. Let the market move, don't chase, don't fold. Patience wins, let the charts take hold.
Yeah, let the charts take hold. Seen them flip-flop, switch up fast. Another bad trade just like in the past. Hold too long, then panic late. No stop loss, now they seal their fate. News hit quick, now they all react. Trade intuition, don't fall for that. Levels stay firm, watch the trend. Stick to the process, profits extend.
Fear and greed, it clouds the mind. Gotta stay sharp, don't fall behind. Stick to structure, don't lose control. Let the trade breathe, let the profits roll. No emotions, trade it right. Stick to the rules, no fight or fight. Let the market move, don't chase, don't fold. Patience wins, let the charts take hold.
Let the charts take hold. Trade intuition, don't move off fear. Follow the plan, make new trade clear. New traders fall, cause they trade too fast. Market moves slow, let the setup last. No second guessing, no hope, no wish. Let the trade hit, let the profits flip. Price don't care about what you feel. Logic wins, that's how you build.
If you fear the dip, don't take the trade. If you chase the wick, you'll never get paid. Gotta trust the levels, trust the zone. When it lines up, let the play be known. Market makers playing the weak. Shake them out, make them retreat. Trade intuition, don't fall for the game. Stick to the plan, stay in your lane. No emotions, trade it right. Stick to the rules, no fight or flight. Let the market move, don't chase, don't fold. Patience wins, let the charts take hold.
Nail emotions, let the charts cold. Fear, no doubt, just grind here. Mark the levels, let it play. Let's make this money the right way.
That's right, guys. Let's make money the right way. Support, resistance, risk management in play. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Bingo, bango, bingo, and a bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It's always time. You guessed it. It's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you that trading doesn't have to be as difficult as we make it. It really doesn't. There's a lot of stuff out there, different ways of trading. It just can complicate stuff so much. And just know that price cannot come up here without crossing a level. Price cannot go down here without crossing a level. So we trade level by level. So speaking about that, let's go ahead and get started. Thank you for everybody being here today. I greatly appreciate it. You guys are the best. Dylan, thank you so much. Dave P, thank you so much. You guys are the best. Absolutely the best. Everybody else who's here, I appreciate you. Danny, thank you so much. Thank you, guys. You're the best. All right, moving on. So crypto bubbles, this is on the hourly time frame. We have Fartcoin coming down. We have virtuals coming down. Now we are in virtuals. I was talking to the group yesterday. Of course, I have a lot of alerts. I'm always in the charts, and I noticed kind of a trend happening yesterday. And I let the group know. I said, have y'all noticed anything? That this alert went off, this alert went off, this one alert went off. And do y'all realize what category they're in? And of course, we entered, I believe we're in 6 trades right now, which is pretty good, pretty good. Now, of course, if you don't already know, definitely check out the videos that I'm doing on YouTube. They are going to help you trade. They're going to help you trade. I made a video. It's called Controlled Losses. What is that? Well, check out the video. It's just under 9 minutes. It talks about controlled losses, talks about the limit of losses I personally have per day. We have a stop loss strategy as well. So here's another video. This one's over 12 minutes long. And then here is a sneak peek video, but this is for members though. This is for the, if you're a YouTube member, you have access to this. And this video you definitely want to watch. See here. Then of course we do have this, the Ultimate Beginner's Guide. This right here is a $1,000 course that I went ahead and put out for free. So as long as, you know, we're getting engagement, likes, and comments and everything else, these will stay up. And when I don't, well, then I just take them off. It's no biggie. I just charge. It's all right. It's all right. All right. Moving on. But I am trying to give everybody the opportunity to learn this stuff for free instead of having to, you know, join the group and everything else. Now, do you want to join the group? Of course. Why? You have access to me literally almost 24/7. You have access to my very talented admins. And then of course you have other members. And what you want a community. You really do. So of course, if you do want to join the group, information's right here. Reach out to me, trade_intuition. This is for the yearly. You get a month for free. A whole bunch of stuff here. You can read that if you like. Now, of course, I have nothing to sell. That is only if you want it. It's an offer I do because I show you how to trade every single day. Let's see here. Speaking about dailies on the crypto bubbles for the day, we have green. Virtual's up 25%. What? Man, I hope we are in this coin. Another coin that we're in is Hype. We're in this coin as well. Do I see any other coins here that we are in? I'm pretty sure I do, but I can't spot them right now. But the biggest one is Virtuals, and we are in this one. So very, very happy with that. Let's see here. Virtuals. Now, of course, it's come down quite a bit. Let's see here. But I mean, not a lot, but I'm in leverage. I'm in leverage on this one. So a small retrace is pretty big. But I've been taking profits on the way up. And of course, that's what we do in the group. We take profits. We show you how to trade. We show you levels, all that good stuff. What is the fear and greed index say for today? Let's go ahead and refresh this. For the stock market, it's 49. So it's right at neutral. It's up 14 points. For the crypto, we are at 53. We're down 3 points. Even though Bitcoin's doing its thing, we are still down 3 points. Let's look at the liquidation heat map. And this is going to tell us where there is a lot of liquidity above us or below us. So right now we're on the 24-hour time frame. And on here, let's see here. We got Haven Peck in the house. What's going on, man? Appreciate you for being here. We have Tech Man. Thank you so much for the love and support y'all do every single day. Man, it means so much to us. It really, really does. Just knowing that you're here. And some people that are watching right now, they know how to trade, but they're here showing support every single day. My heart really goes out to you. Thank you guys so much. You guys are the absolute best. Let's see here. Yes, fortune favors the stubborn. There you go. Love it. Let's see here, going down the list. Dylan says, not too bad for myself, man. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, I am feeling a little bit better as far as my throat goes. So that is great news. I just didn't sleep last night. Last night, I was up all night doing charts, all night looking for new setups. And of course, updating the group and everything else. And I'm in the charts right now, right before the stream. And I started dozing off. I took a 30-minute nap. And I was like, oh my gosh. I'm glad I woke up though. I woke up before the alarms too. So that was good. But after the stream, rest assured, I will be getting my Z's. I will be getting my sleep. Of course, sleep is very important. And the group is all set. You know, we have our alerts. I've updated the group already as far as moving up all our stop losses. We're good. We are good. We got Sin in the house. What's up, Sin? Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Now, if y'all have questions, let me know. If you have questions, you have charts. My goal is to make you money, guys. My goal is to make you money. And again, I am very highly motivated because what happens if you make money? Well, then you see that the stuff I'm doing works and then you join the group. So to me, that's the best business model for you. It's not so good for me because, well, then if you know how to trade, you don't need me, but you have access to me almost 24/7. All right, here we go. Liquidation heat map. We have some liquidations right up top, right around 64 million. at 97.5. Then we have a whole bunch down here. We have 33, we have 46, we have 19, we have 18, 25. We have a really hot spot at $74 million at 94,683. So we have a whole bunch down here. Good Lord. That was show on the 12-hour time frame. On the 12-hour time frame, pretty much the same thing. It's really hot down here. Really, really hot. Now, as we mentioned earlier, we trade level by level. And the reason we do is because if price action attacks these levels, well, it has to break this. Has to break this level. If price action is going to come and take this, well, it needs to break this level and this level and this level. So what we do is we trade level by level. We make it really easy and less complicated to trade because, well, price cannot go up unless it breaks the level. So liquidations, we have shorts getting wrecked. We have the 4-hour shorts getting wrecked. We have the 12-hour shorts getting wrecked. And we have the 24-hour shorts have just been getting wrecked all day long. Oh my gosh. Now I did try to do a short. I did try to do a short. Before we continue, if you haven't already, definitely check out anywhere you can find music. Check out, I actually put out 2 or 3 new songs. So definitely check them out. And I think you're gonna like them. I'm sure you're gonna like them. All right, moving on. So let's go ahead and let's see here. I actually put Traders Gangster Nation. I put this video out. It's got 81 views already. Wow. More views than my controlled losses. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? That's funny. But Tradester Gangster Nation is available, guys. Check out this song. And of course, you can hear this song and many others. Just say, Alexa, play songs by Trade Intuition. Alexa, play songs by Trade Intuition. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes she's a little stubborn. Let's see here. You can go to the playlist and there's a bunch of songs right here. There's 10 here, but I have a whole bunch other places. Alexa, play songs by Trade Intuition. She's getting feisty today. Alexa, play songs by Trade Intuition. It must be my accent. All right, here we go. Oh, there we go. Finally. All right, good stuff. Oh yeah. Like, what am I doing? Me. Uh-oh. Yeah. So I made a video about this, so I strongly recommend everybody watch it. And of course, all the videos you watch, show your love and support by smashing the like and leaving a comment or two about the video. That again, it encourages me to make more videos that I think everybody needs to know. Now, I've never really talked about controlled losses, and in that video, I talk about it. So definitely check that out. All right, moving on. So what do we have here? We got a lot of scribbles. Hold down Control, click and drag, selects them all, most of them. Just hit delete on this. Let's go ahead and put back on our watermark. I like doing the watermark. There we go. And we got Mark Dutch in the house. What's up, Mark? Appreciate you, man, being here. Thank you for smashing the like. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. All right, so what is Mark saying? Let's see here, going down the list. Okay, Dylan says the songs are dope. Listen in when working. Awesome, man. Thank you. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you, man. So here, going down the list. All right, good stuff. All right, so this is on the 5-minute time frame. I was looking to shorts, and I was looking to short right here, and then also right here. Went against me. Did I trace it? Nope. And I'm glad I didn't, man, because if I would have done a short, I would have added here heavily. Well, no, because it dumped so hard, I would have waited for it to pull up and then retrace, and then I would have added. But I would have been in the short here, but I'm glad shoot, it's just going up. It's just going up. So if you have any coins you want me to do, guys, let me know. Any questions, let me know. and we will get those for you. Just curious, so many people are here. Not bad, not too shabby, not too shabby. All right, let's zoom out because we can't do this. Get out of here, get out of here, get out of here. Stop loss, all these levels I don't need. Okay, so now let's look at the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour, good Lord. I can also get rid of this level and this level, okay, and this. BMT, yeah, definitely. I don't know what that one is. What should I get for lunch, guys? Today was a great trading day. I don't want steak, so I want something I can just pick up. I mean, I do want steak, but I just want something to pick up. And I don't want Popeyes. I think I had Popeyes like a week or two ago. Today was a great day trading, man, great day. Now, if you're not making money, guys, don't worry, you will. One thing I absolutely hate is like, oh man, look at you, you're not killing it, man. You need to kill it and join our group. And man, get out of here with that noise. Nobody wants to hear that if you're not making money. If you're making money, great. If you're not, don't worry, you will. Don't chase these coins. This is why it's super important to have alerts. So important. I'm here to pick you up rather than push you down. And there's so many other people, man, I don't know if it's their ego or if they just don't know that they're doing it. But there's so many people out there that, oh man, you're not making money right now. Oh man, we're killing it, man. You know, dude, calm down. I got stopped out, or I didn't see the trade, or my entry didn't hit. Like, I already feel bad. Like, don't make me feel worse. I'm not that guy. I'm the one who's like, you know what? It's all right, man. Like, we're gonna kill it. The main thing is to get all these strategies. Get all these strategies, implement them, whether you're using real money or not. Holy smokes. Thank you. Haven Peck just became a supporter. Thank you, my man. Well, so you are going to want to watch the video that I made, the VIP sneak peek. You're going to want to watch that. And you have access to that since you're a supporter now. And I recommend everybody. Well, not only do you get the very cool emojis, but you also get access to videos that I make specifically for my VIP members. And I trickle down. The higher tier you are on the YouTube memberships, the more you get. Just makes sense. And the ultimate goal is for you to make money so that you join the group. I mean, to me, that's a great business model for you because you know that what I'm doing actually works. I wish, man, I wish that anybody would have done that for me. No, everybody wants your money. Everybody wants your money. All these YouTubers that have courses, they are literally millionaires off of the courses they sell. Hands down. Will that happen to me? Sure will. But, and I mention this all the time, I'm going to be the Mr. Beast of crypto. And especially with all my supporters that I have now, as far as my actual VIP members, they're going to be blessed left and right. Because guys, it's just me. You know, my brother calls me cat lady. It's just me and my cats. That's it. And I don't have any money to leave to anybody. So what am I going to do? I am going to be giving out this money to my VIP members. And of course, some YouTube members or videos or viewers, but the majority of it is going to go to my VIP members. Because right now, I mean, you know, yes, we're making money, but put that aside. Right now, it's tough trading. It really is. And my VIP members, they're in here. They're investing in themselves right now. And like I said, I mean, it doesn't take a genius. I mean, you have 500 people paying $100 a month or $1,000 a year, whatever it is. Like everybody who has these memberships and groups, they're millionaires just from their groups. However, what I'm gonna do, pay it forward. I'm not gonna take it with me. And don't trust me though. Clip this video right here and see if I'm truthful. So give you a heads up, guys. Like, I'm in it for you guys. I really am. I want everybody to be successful. And I see all these people, you know, making all this crazy money. And then like they're literally pooping on their members because they're posting all these charts. 10, 15, 20 charts a day. Just say 10 a day. That's 70 a week. Let's say 10 or 20 of them. Let's just say 20 play out really, really nice. Well, what about the other 50? The other 50 that their members took and they're not making money. I don't want to, we're killing it. I don't want to make the group sound better than it is. But there's days where we don't trade because we're in this chop. We don't trade, you know, and we're in existing trades. We're in longs already. And, or we're in shorts and we get stopped out, we wait, we're patient. And all these other groups, they're posting chart after chart after chart and they just wait. It's a numbers game. All right, I'm gonna get off that high horse. Let's see here. Going down the list. Checking the chat really quick. Oh yeah. So it is BMT. But yeah, definitely clip these little segments that I'm doing, saying that I'm gonna give money back. And that way you can say, hey man, like, you know, you have all these members and everything. You're a fraudster, this and that, and then put my name in the mud. All I have is my name, guys. That's all I have. You know, I didn't grow up rich. I grew up very poor. Very poor. See here. It's Bubble Maps coin. Bubble Maps has a coin? What? I didn't know that. See here. Tacos. Oh, I was like, is today Tuesday? I was thinking about that. I ran some errands earlier today. I was like, man, I should not be driving. I haven't slept. So I should not be driving. Joe, can you get on with the show? Sorry. Ooh, Chinese. I haven't had Chinese food in forever. But it's too expensive though. You might as well just sit down and get the buffet because it's like $20 just to take it out as well. Eating ramen here. Maybe I just eat ramen. I don't know. Let's see here. I'm getting a bagel sandwich. Ooh, love smoked salmon. Ooh, man. And I'm getting hungry. Here. Very nice. Let's see here. Haven says, I'll watch the video later this afternoon after I get done with my first of the month errands. Thank you for all your hard work. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Appreciate you greatly. Yeah, that's what he calls me. He goes, Joe, you're a cat lady. I was like, call me what you want. I don't care. But I love. So here's the thing, guys. If you like, animals are so important. A dog, a cat, heck, a bird, anything. And especially if you lose a loved one, a mom, a dad, a brother, a sister, you know, just a loved one, period. Man, these animals will help. Man, they make you laugh. They will play with you. I mean, they're great. They're absolutely great. So I love my cats. Well, first I just had one. Then I adopted my ex-boss's cat because he just left her here. And I love her. Man, she's a lovey-dovey. Mine, nah. He'll let you love on him for a little bit, and then he's like, all right, I'm done. He's a jerk. He's a jerk. See here. Sometimes it's best not to share everything. I'm an open book, man. I share everything. Wendy's. I haven't had Wendy's in a long time. I've been out with those Frosties. Yum, yum. Hey, we got Crypto Caveman in the house. What's up, man? Sin says, dang. Now, Joe got me thinking of a buffet. It's too expensive, man. It's like literally $20. It's like 18, $20 per time. And then you're hungry like 2 hours later. I don't know. Hey, we got Meat Damien in the house talking about food right now. Hey, Trade Intuition. Just letting you know I'm here. Thank you, my friend. Thank you for smashing the like. Let me go in and so Meat Damien is one of the newer YouTubers that I've been watching. I like him, like his style. So definitely check him out. If there's any admins in here, if we could throw his stuff. Oh, we have Blocky. Blocky is live. So Blocky is a great dude. What did I click on? I don't even know. Let's click on this. So Blocky's a great dude. So let's throw in some links. So Blocky's a great dude. He's live right now. Dude's funny. He's real, you know, and that's what you want. You want people who are real in the space. Let's see here. Going on the list, I watch a lot of people. Let's see here. Road Dogg, he's good. Road Dogg is good. He normally goes live around 10:30 at night. Sometimes 9:30. It just varies. He's good. Let's see here. Who else? Of course, Alex O Crypto. He's good. He goes live in the morning, right around 8:30 ish. I think 8:30. Where's the thing? I can't copy it. Dude's real good, and he does live trading too. And when I first saw him trade, I never seen him before. You know, everybody always talks about him. You know, Piper Academy, they'd always, you know, hype him up. I never seen him trade. First time I saw him trade, he lost. And I'm thinking, okay, here it comes. I'm gonna start making excuses. Nope. He said, all right, guys, we win some, we lose some. And that moment, he gained my respect. I was like, wow, dude. Because everybody makes excuses. Everybody makes excuses. Here's Treyfly. And my buddy right here. Treyfly is good too. Treyfly is really good. Let's see here. Who else? Let's go back over here. Did we do Porky already? We got Porky as well. Porky is good. This guy's real. And this is how I found Meet Damien. Was from Porky. See here, Meet Damien says go live around 4 or 5 Eastern time. Hey, that's a great time right there, man. That's a great time. Porky, he normally goes live around like 9:30 Eastern, 10:30 Eastern sometimes. Let's see here. I'm almost there, man. I'm almost there. Tom Crown, my buddy. Sometimes he'll pop in the show, you know, say hi and stuff. Crypto Princess. She has her own channel. She's really good too. She's real smart. You can tell she's real smart from the questions she asks. She has a lot of great people on here. J Chains and shoot, man, everybody else. So here's another one. And but she's real smart. You can tell by the questions. If I ever get on her show, I'm gonna have to have a requirement. Can you dumb down the questions? Because I just know TA. I just know TA. I know a little FA. Jason Casper is good. You know, Kyle. All these guys are good. Frankie Candles. When I started doing Bingo Bango, that's what I've always said when I was a kid. I started watching Frankie Candles, and he says Bing Bong. I was like, oh man, they're gonna think I copied it from him. But as soon as I started watching him, the very first seconds, fell in love with the dude. Right away, he's like, nobody knows what's gonna happen. It's like, that's what I say. So he, like, I love this dude. Trader Geo, this dude is good as well. He a little bit too confident for my liking, but great dude, man, great dude. And he's one of those on you. I told you. You don't tell me nothing, man. But he's great. He's really, really great. Needs to be a little bit more humble, in my opinion. But he's a really great dude. He kills it. I mean, it would be different if he didn't kill it. Then I would more than likely maybe talk trash. But dude backs up his talk. So I'm like, even if I wanted to, which I don't, but even if I wanted to talk trash, there's no way I could, because dude absolutely kills it. So he's good too. This one I normally go to so I can make stuff on what not to do and how not to trade. FD White is another great one. FD White Invest. Here we go. Finally. We got Randy Hipper. Yeah, she's good. See here. So Meet Damien. Everybody needs to subscribe to this guy right here. He's really good. And I finally realized why he has his, whenever he's doing his videos on YouTube, why he has his stuff like this. But it's because he's doing TikTok at the same time. Dude's smart. Dude's really smart. So I actually saw him on TikTok. So follow him on TikTok, follow him on YouTube. And let's get these numbers up, guys. Let's get these numbers up. We need to help everybody we can. And I know it's like, oh man, Joe, there's more people to watch, but spread the love, you know. And again, what you want to do is you want to meet a lot of different traders and see how they trade and see if it resonates with you. All right, moving on. Love Guru says, I should have a channel where people do the opposite of my trades. I always get it wrong, falling in all the traps. Oh no. Where is it? You know what? I bet you it would be successful. And you could call it opposite trades, like opposite day. Set it up, man. I bet you will get you some subscribers. I bet you. Call it opposite trades. There you go. That's the money maker right there. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Joe, can we get on the show, please? Yeah. All right. So I gave a lot of shout outs to it. Let's see here, going down the list. See here. Okay, Dylan says, love dogs myself. After losing a house due to a fire, yeah, man, I remember that. We ended up with 10 of them. Holy smokes. Became support. Oh, nice. See here. Oh yeah, gotta do that bubble map coin. Good. Okay. We got Kulak in the house. What's up, my friend? What's going on? Happy lunchtime, Joe. Very nice. All right, so let's go ahead and get on with the show. See here. I have a bigger following on TikTok as of now. Yeah, definitely huge following on TikTok. Yeah, my TikTok, man. Oh, Jay's in the house. What's up, man? My TikTok, man, I can't get any views. Like I put out my videos and everything. I get literally 14 views. Literally. I was like, man. But I think I got blacklisted because I was getting on average of 200 views, which is horrible. And then I did a video and it was about a coin. It was a meme coin. And I got flagged and I fought it. And then they said, okay, you're good. And then after that, my videos will get 1 view, 14 views, 6 views. I've been wanting to start a new one. I'd probably do better too. I don't know, but I have like 200 subscribers, which is nothing. I could probably get 200 in like a day. I don't know. Anyway, moving on. So that is this. Okay, let's get on with the show. All right, Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin is doing, my plan A is not playing out. My plan A was to come down. It would be healthy if the price action were to retrace due to this really nice move up to around here. Around 89 to 89.9, 89.2 in this area. And it said, nope, Joe, you don't know what you're talking about. I'm going to break this resistance and go up. Okay, that's fine. Do what you want to do. We are at the mercy of price action. We are at the mercy of price action. See, Love Guru says, Damien, still all your viewers. Probably. He's stealing all my TikTok viewers. All of my 3, all of my 4. Let's see here. So right now on the daily, here are some levels that we need to watch. So let us delete this and this and this, because this does not apply anymore. So here were the levels we needed to watch. We needed to break this level to be step 1 for an uptrend. We need to break this level for step 2 of the uptrend. And this is what we really want. We want to break above this zone. Now, we need a retracement. Price needs to do one of 2 things. 1, go up. 2, go down. That's it. Go up, go down. Go down, go up. That's all it needs to do. Now here it's just been going up and up and up and up. This is not sustainable. It's going to come down. It's just a matter of time. Are we going to come down when we reach this level? This is a trend line from the previous cycle. Either the previous or the previous. I think from the previous cycle right here. So we may come up to here, get rejected, and then start to roll over. So what I'm looking for is 94.2, this level right here, 94.270. I'm looking for the break of this level to go short. So let's go ahead and make a note of it. And let's put break below this level. Oh, no, just put the actual level. 94,270. We've been talking about this one forever. This level. Break below 94,270. Let's see here. We're going to say short. Question mark. Always a question mark. Okay. Let's put it below. And let's do this in the center. And let's make this not so. Let's go 60. That's about right. Okay, fine. We'll put it to the right. We will put it to the right. Get out of here. You're in my way. You're bothering me, kid. All right. So here's our plan. You know, and we're also going to set an alert too. We're going to set an alert on it. Set alert. There we go. So now we have an alert. So thanks, Bitcoin. So we're not going to set an alert. Let's go ahead and take off the alert. Thanks, Bitcoin. Take off the alerts. Yes. So we're going to set an alert below it. Fine. We'll do it just under it. Doesn't really matter. Gosh darn it. Keep on clicking away. So if it breaks below this number, and I just leave it like that. This no. No, it still shows up. Man, you're a rookie, Joe. You can come over here and do it, right? I'm just gonna right click. When I right click, say add alert at this price, and then create. There. Make it nice and clean. The only thing I don't like is before it used to do something here. I forget what it used to do. Or it used to have a dotted line. And now since the update, it's happened a long time ago, there's nothing here. So you don't even know if you have an alert here. You don't. At least I don't. See, Meet Damien says, I was posting content during altcoin season, all of them was talking about altcoins, and I think it blew up my TikTok channel with views and followers. There you go. There you go. Yeah, mine, I wrecked it with that meme coin. All right. So here right now we are in the uptrend. We are literally creating an uptrend. This was level 1, this is level 2. We need to break this level, and we started breaking it here, but I really don't consider this an uptrend yet until we like break it. And now we broke it. Now we broke it. So, and what I would like to see, potentially come up to here, come down to at least here. I still want to see this level before potentially making this. And we'll put this a little bit lower. That's what I would like to see. That's my plan A, and I don't have a plan B. I know I'm supposed to have a plan B, but I don't. Because plan B would be just go straight up. And you don't want it straight up. You don't want that. Let's see here. I mean, that's pretty much it for Bitcoin. Just waiting for it to roll over. And if it does, hopefully it'll be once it breaks below 94,270, and then we can short. And we can short, and our first target would be right in this zone. And if it does come up here and then it rolls over, let's do that. This is our decision point. So let's make our decision point. Ours is our yellow dots here. Okay, fine. I got a plan B now. This is B. There. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. Let's see here. Love Guru says you should make a team. A team of what? Love Guru, I need complete thought process. Me Gaming says TikTok is very strict on meme coins. I found that out. I tried to avoid talking about them because of that. I recently got my live stream privileges suspended for 3 days on TikTok. I think because of a meme coin. Yeah. I think I should just start a new one. But I have one that it actually, my account got banned. I don't know why. I don't remember why. And then so I started up another one, and then I did that video of the meme coin, and so now I have. But the other one got unbanned because I fought it. You know, I just replied to it and disputed it, and then so now I have both of them, and I don't know which will log in as what. I'm too old for that. I don't know. Let's see here with Damien. Hey, there you go. We should do a collab. We should do a collab. I don't know how to do all that stuff though. I used to. I don't know how anymore. Let's see here. But I like what I'm seeing. You know, we're breaking this level. Let's go, guys. Man, I want to make so much money going long instead of going short. I mean, fine, yes, we make money going short, but I want to make money going short in the bear market or the beginning of the bear market. Here, we still have the opportunity, the potential of going to 710 million trillion dollars on Bitcoin. Maybe not so high. We'll see. All right, moving on. Let us go over here and let's make sure we're on YouTube. Yes, and let us do the first coin. And is this going to be the only coin? This is Bubble Maps. Let's go and look at futures. Ooh, doggy. Nice. Like it. So it has been kicking butts and taking names. We actually have our zone right here. Any other coins, guys? Any other coins? So we have our zone right here. Let's change that so we're not any bias on the colors. Okay. Let's see here. A very low market cap coin. I'm going to say under 600 million. And let's verify, because I don't know. And this, what's this? BMT? BMT. 43 million. Way under 600 million. So what does that mean? That means it can move very fast. Oh, dang it. It means it can move very fast up or down. I almost put BLT. Good Lord, I'm hungry. It's on Binance. Hello. Okay. It's on MEXC. It's on KuCoin. It's on big exchanges. Let's go back to the chart. Let's go to all. When did it come about? It's brand new. It's not even 2 months old. Huge run up. Then of course a sell off. Not a problem. I'm surprised the run up here wasn't higher, especially with it being on Binance. Finally got the run up a few days later. Okay, that's very odd. Let's see here. 1 billion market cap. I mean supply. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. Let us look at. It's down 55% from a month ago. It is analytics, AI, research. Okay. Let's actually go to the website. Where does it take us? Bubblemaps.io. Take up the habit. Just bubble it. I don't know if I like their slogan. I'm going to give them a -1 for their slogan. Take up the habit. Just bubble it. -1 on the slogan. Innovative visuals for blockchain data. Okay. Tells me what it is. Okay. Visual. Okay. Backed by all those people. Got it. What is Bubble Maps? Bubble Map is the first supply auditing tool for DeFi tokens and NFTs. Our unique and colorful bubbles make an on-chain data easy to understand. I like it. Investigate wallets, reveal connections, and see through the noise of blockchain data. I like it. Show transfers. Okay. I like it. See all connections at a glance. I like it. Yeah, we can see how much wallets and everything else. But this stuff's already available. Like you can go to sites, and this is how you see if they're if like coins that are on dexes, if they're bundled. So it's nothing new, but it is cool though for the blockchain. So that I'm still liking it. Mapped 1 month ago. Okay. See, partners, lots of partners, got it. Testimonials, okay, from the big people, got it. Let's look at their X. They need to update their Twitter because they have it as a bird, and we haven't been the bird in a long time. So that they need to update. See here, they joined 4 years ago. They have a lot of followers. A lot of people that I follow them. Okay. Okay. See here. All right, so you can see all this stuff. Okay, I mean, I like it. I like it's available even on I'm drawing a blank. Crypto.com. I like it. Has potential. I don't know what you need the coin for though. What's the use case for the coin? A premium. See here, explore any DeFi token, or why should you go premium? Time travel, access the history of all maps, refresh anytime. Unlock premium memberships, unlimited access. So I'm thinking you need this token to have premium. It doesn't, it's very unclear. What's the token used for? Premium access is temporarily limited to users who are eligible just before the token migration. Okay, so let's come over here. We're investigating. See here, Sonic is taking off. Yeah, a lot of coins right now taking off. Lots of coins. Sonic. Bingo bango. Yes, indeed. See, me Damien says, I mentioned doing a collab with Porky, maybe on YouTube. It's just a matter of getting on the same schedule. I know Porky is busy with his kids and clients during the day. Yeah, for me, I can go anytime. Anytime. Let me know, except when I'm streaming. But yeah, I'm available if you want. I mean, no pressure. No pressure. No pressure. What is it for though? About. See here. Significant financial backing. Okay. How do you use the coin? See, widely used for token research. We got what it does. Why do I want to buy the coin? It is now part of the crypto culture, with Bubble Map becoming the... Okay, here we go. Institutions are now incorporating token. See here, I'm up for the Bitcoin pump. There you go. 8:47 a.m. It's early. Hey, Caliphan, that is really early for you. Okay, so I know what it does, but why do I need the coin? I don't like that it doesn't tell me why I need the coin. Does anybody know why we need the coin? This is cool. I love it. How it works. Okay, premium. We decided to make Bubble Maps version 2 free. Great, I love it. As a brand rooted in crypto culture, it should be accessible to everybody. Features like magic nodes, time travel, and real-time data will be open to all users without restrictions. However, some advanced features will only be accessible to BMT holders. Boom. That's what I'm talking about. That's Kelvin says, I need to go take a nap. I hear you. I'm right there with you. Hear you. So this is what I want to see. If you hold like 5,000 of them, then you have access to this other feature. Oh, 1,000. Oh no. Here we go. The bubble maps with the top 1,000 holders. Even better, because now it's always a competition. I like it. Now we need to know where the top holders thing is. You know, do they hold 10,000? Do they hold 1,000,000? So this is good. I like it. It serves a purpose. Now I can buy this if I was going to buy it. Now I can buy this knowing that it has a purpose. Just like with Cookie, I bought Cookie because in order to use the Cookie platform, or Cookie.fun or whatever it's called, you have to see all the I forget what they call it, but the impressions or whatever they call it. But you had to hold a certain amount in order to get Alexa, play songs by Trade Intuition. And you had to hold a certain amount in order to access special features. So that's what I did. And then shoot, man, it went up. It did like a 5x in a week. I never sold it though, because I was using the project. Alexa, play songs by Trade Intuition. All right. Alexa, stop. Alexa's getting on my nerves. All right, there we go. So we're on a 4-hour time frame. I don't know what I just did. Control Z. Nope. Pepperoni. I did this last time too. Escape. Boom. Got it. Let's see here. Try and do this. Put the watermark on so everybody can see. Wonder if it'll make it to 99. By the looks of it, 98, 8, 8, 8, maybe. We'll see. I just wanted to go up. I'm tired of shorting. All right, so here, very low market cap. Very surprised with the market cap with all the backers. This right here was a perfect woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda opportunity to enter the trade once it broke this level. Of course, you know, it just skyrocketed from there. Came down, beautiful retracement. I can get rid of this box. I don't need that on a lower time frame. We can go from the absolute bottom, which is here, the beginning of the move. Let's see if it lines up. Here. Yep, perfect. So this is the absolute bottom, and this is the top. So it had a really nice, well, first it was here. It came, so not really, then it came up some more. I don't think it's going to come back over here. Just because of the low market cap, and right now there's looks to be FOMO. See here, Haven says, I'm driving to work, you took too long. Sorry, man. Sorry, Haven. I can't even ask for any coins now, man. It took like 35 minutes to get it. Sorry, dude. All right. Let's see here. If I am looking for a retrace, I would be looking for, and it did it already, went to 0.5. Man, this one looks ready to enter. So whenever you're looking for a trade, you always want to look for the positive and the negative. Like what's going to make it work and what's not going to make it work. Here, all is just low volume node. So this could, there's no support resistance really here. Joe, there's some here and here and here. Not really. So this could go, but just know that it could make its own support resistance along the way up. I like it. And it's on futures. I might take a stab at it. So it needs to close above this level. So for me personally, I would wait about 3 hours for the candle to close to make sure that I don't get a wick and then it comes down and it does something like this, where it breaks this low, comes down to this area of interest, comes up, does a lower high, comes back down to attack this level, and then now what is it going to do? Is it going to bounce up or bounce down? I do not think it's going to do this and then start all over again. I don't think it's going to go to the downside that much. If it does go down, so that's our decision point. Let's see here. Me Damien says, I've never done a collab before, but we'll figure it out. Might have to do a practice stream to figure out the controls, streaming software. There you go. All right. Yeah, the one I used to use, it was Restream, where I've done some before, where I would do Restream. A lot of people now like using StreamYard, but just know that when you're on StreamYard, it automatically adjusts your mic so that when you finish with StreamYard, before you do another recording or a live stream, remember to turn up the volume, which I've showed you how to do. Turn up the volume because it will be low. The channel. So what I would do is I would set an alert. I'd set an alert. I'd say right here. So let's go and set an alert. And this one, I'm actually going to set the alert. The alert's going to be set at 0.15740. I really like the project. I like that it's backed by so many great people. The only thing that concerns me is the low market cap coin. I don't know why it's so low. I would figure that it'd be 600 million or, you know, maybe even close to $1 billion. Alexa, are you still talking to me? Alexa, stop. I think she's trying to fight me. I don't know what's going on. It's funny. I went to my buddy's house, and I don't like stuff that listens, but I know everything listens to you. And he had the Alexa in his house, and he would ask Alexa this and that, blah, blah. Alexa, do this and this, blah, blah. And like, I'm kind of freaking out. And I said, Alexa, do you have plans of unaliving this family? And she didn't understand what I was saying. I don't understand. Blah, blah. I was like, I'm on to her. But now I have Alexa, so it's all good. Let's see here. Dylan says CRV curve. Nice. CRV. I'm actually looking at that one. The Dex DeFi. Yep. 963 market cap. Very nice. Broke and using golden pocket from last big pump in November as support, but close to a weekly support resistance level. Check and give your thoughts, please. Yes, definitely. So let's get back to business. So I was set an alert right here, 0.15740 on BTM. I really do like this. I think it has huge potential. Let us do some potential targets while we're looking at it. Make sure our magnet tool is on. Let's go from the low of this move to the high of this move to the low of this move. So we always want 3 spots. And our targets, let's go ahead and set one right here. This is going to be 50%. And then let's go and just duplicate that. Clone and one more clone. So here will be the next one, and then here can be the next one. What would be the percentage from where we are currently at if we were to enter right now, but we're not? 28, 39, 60. Okay. And then our stop will also be 13. So 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. I like it. But for me right now, I'm not going to enter, but we would be entering somewhere up here. So it's 18. So it's almost a 1-to-1 risk to reward for the first target. I mean, it's okay, but of course we have other targets up top. And once you get your first target, you're taking some profit out and you're moving up your stop loss. So that's my thought process on that one. All right, moving on. So hopefully you like that. Hopefully you like that. Thank you for everybody for being here. Smash the like. We're gonna go ahead and do a speed round. Let's go to Sonic, and it's gonna be on Blowfin. Sonic, really nice pump, pulling back some. Let's see here, really nice level that it broke on the daily time frame. Let's go to the 4-hour. Very nice. I would love to see it pull back to this zone. I don't know if it's going to or not. because right now everything is so crazy bullish, but we can try for it. Let's go to this. I would like to see this to be a bounce zone potential, and this would be really nice for it to go. Now what I would do though is, if you're interested in actually entering this coin, I would actually wait for the 1 hours. Yeah, 1 hours, because we don't want to go too early. For the 1 hour time frame to start doing something like this, where it comes down a little bit and it starts doing something like this, and as soon as it breaks its level, we get into the trade. I mean, it could do it right here, do where it does something like this, and then it breaks this level, and we can enter. That'd be a nice entry. But I would do it on the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour candle has to close above its newly created resistance. So I do like it. I do like what it's, you know, the way it's moving. I like the nice little pump retracement. Again, you don't want to chase the pump. You want to get that retracement, and then once it starts turning over, you know, you could enter some, but definitely the break of its most newly created resistance. That's what I do for sure. So that is that. Let us go to the next one, and next one is CRV. And this one, I do like this one. I'm actually looking at it. Let's go to the daily time frame, and we can see that it had really nice moves. So this was the first level that it needed to break. It broke it, and look what it did. Beautiful retest, met resistance, slightly higher high, and then again, very nice resistance, and then it broke this level. This is when we wanted to, if we missed this one and we didn't enter, what we want to do is we want to enter on the break of this level. Now, how much did it go up, and would I have entered this trade? 20%. Sure. I'd enter the trade. I'd enter the trade, candle close it. Well, first I'd do it on the lower time frame first. It'd be in the 4 hour potentially. I see it come up, down, up. Okay, hold on. Wait a minute. Let's look at this on the 4 hour time frame. So here's the level. Nope. This level's better because there's more stops. Then here's, I would use this level. It broke out. I'm in the trade. I'm in the trade right here because it broke this level, and my alert was up here, so that set off my alert. I'm in the trade because of this next green candle. Would I have been? No, I would not have been stopped out. I would have done about a 13% stop loss. So underneath this wick, comes down, bounces good, does a lower high, but comes down, decision point. This is telling me, is it going to attack this, or is it going to roll over and go for this and stop me out? Decision point, it comes up, breaks this, also makes a higher high, good. Now I want to see it come down here to attack this again, and it doesn't. It breaks below this one, crap. Comes down almost to this one. I'm getting worried that I'm gonna break this level, lose the level, get stopped out. Instead, it bounces here again. Beautiful range. Now we are in a definite range. What is the range? Let's see here, from here to here, barely 8%, not worth risking unless we're doing leverage. But this is a nice range that we started to develop. And normally you don't see the range until it's almost ready to get broken. Normally. Sometimes. So then, of course, it does break out. Once it breaks out, we're already in the trade. We want to add, when we could have added down here, but by the time I'm looking at it to add, it came down, came up, came down, came up, came down, came up. I'm pretty sure I would have had my bounce zone or my buy zone right here, and it would have hit, but we'll just say we didn't do it. But this is where I'm always looking. And if you've seen my channel before, you know that's what I'm always looking at. But let's say I didn't do it. Because the market, so the market's not great at this time. Well, let's just say that. The market's not great at this time. So I don't want to enter here higher risk. And I'm going to add to my entry when it breaks this level right here. And now it comes up and up and up and it breaks the level. It's like, oh crap. Again, with the just moves, I'll enter the trade now knowing that this level right here is very, very strong. And this zone is very strong. And if it does, and I'm actually going to have now for sure, I'm going to have a lower entry in this box. So here I enter the trade here, candle close. I added to my trade and now I have a lower entry. Let's just say right here. Good Lord. I have a lower entry right here, lower entry. Because now I'm thinking if it comes down, I'm extremely highly possibility the price is going to not break this level. It could, but there's a really strong chance it won't. High probability that it won't. Not saying that it won't. I'm just saying look at all the support. All right, moving on. So we're in 2 times already. Came up, came down, came up. Now the problem, decision point, what is it going to do? Attacks this level, gets resisted, comes down. Decision point, what's it going to do? Attacks this level, great. Attacks this level, even better. And then comes down. Oh, crap. Comes down into our little range that we've created now. Comes down here. And then now we're looking at this and we're seeing, Joe, you're doing all this in hindsight, man. You're one of those hindsight hustlers. I knew it. No, this is what I do all the time, guys. This is what I do all the time. Now what we're doing is we're waiting for the break of this level. So what I'm doing is I'm walking through the entire thought process of entering a trade without knowing where it's going to go. Granted, we can see where it went, but if the price would have went down, my thought process is still the same. I'm not saying, oh, well, look, it bounced off of this and this, and this is why you entered. No, I'm giving you my levels of what I would do every single time. As long as the market stays the way it is, this is how I trade. So here we can see it came up, came down, came up, same level. Okay, there's a strong level. Came down, came up again to the same level. All right, when we break this level, more than likely I can cancel this lower entry and add to my entry. Granted, it'd be safer breaking here, but here this is showing me that, sure, man, if I enter and it comes down even more, I'm pretty strong chance that it's going to bounce from here. Breaks above, enter the trade, I'm in the trade, boom. This is the thought process of entering trades. For more information, you can do here. Now, granted, do you need this to learn? No, because I just literally gave you everything right now, literally. But if you want access to me, you want exact prices, when to enter, moving up stop losses, all that fun stuff. It's 12 months. You get a month for free. We also have a monthly membership as well. Reach out to me, trade_intuition, if you're interested. Do you need to do this to learn? Nope. Ask me questions. Ask me for charts. I give you my thought process, what I would do in the moment versus what most people do. They tell you after the fact. I tell you in the moment. But yeah, I tell everybody, I have the absolute worst business plan, because this business plan is not going to get me rich, because, well, you learn everything for free. Why would you want to join? Unless you want to have access to me and the group and our trades and everything else, and our setups. We absolutely killed it. And I'm always in these trades too. And I was noticing a certain category that started moving, and we nailed it. But that's what we do, though. I mean, do we win all the time? Nope. Sure don't. There was, I think it was like 2 or 3 days we weren't in any trades because we're in chop. Here, I would expect it to pull back to about here. Here's a good level. Not sure why I was doing that, but here is a nice pullback level. And where does this line up to this run up? This lines up to the 382. The 382 is the bare minimum that I would like to see. Let's see here. Kelvin says, oh, the other Sonic is pumping. Ticker is S, formerly Phantom. Oh, Al, what's up, buddy? So let's go and do that. So S. Okay. I really think it's so dumb that these tickers are one character or two characters. Like, really, man? You want to be that different? But yeah, we'll definitely check out S for you. We'll definitely check that out. So I would like to see it pull back to the 382 before continuing up. Do I think it might pull back further? Sure. I mean, what was this pull right here? So let's go from the absolute low to the high. Take that off. Almost to the 0.5. Okay. So it goes to the 382 generally. You know, we saw that here. We saw that here. We saw it here. So there's a pretty strong chance, nobody knows, but there's a pretty strong chance that it might come down in here and then come up, possibly do this decision point, attack this high to attack this high, continue the momentum. I'm loving it. And that's a market cap of 963 million. Looks good to me. Would I enter right now? Not really. I'd wait to see it pull back, because it could come back all the way down here. I don't think it will, but it could. And then once it starts going up, boom, we enter the trade. Patience is very valuable. And thank you for smashing the like, because that is also very valuable to me. Thank you for watching all of my videos, because that's also very valuable to me. And then, of course, whenever you are on my channel, which you're on right now, after or in between videos that you normally watch, there's videos that I put. I've never really talked about this on air, I don't believe, but this is controlled losses. What are controlled losses? Watch this video, it'll explain it for you. Also, stop loss strategy. Here's a great video. And for all the YouTube members, here's a sneak peek in what we do in the VIP. So if you're not a YouTube member, strongly recommend you become one. You get access to very cool emojis, and also sometimes I do sneak peeks. Very interesting. Check this stuff out. And of course, here is a course that is a $1,000 course, but I'm giving it to you for free because I want to make money with you, not because of you. I could hold all this and say, well, you need to join my group in order to have it. You know, ask me questions. I'm giving you everything here. So I don't have anything to sell you. This is something I offer. If you want it, there you go. Trade_intuition. All right, move it. And then we have songs. There's a song that I did last night around 4 in the morning, I think, or so. I don't even know, 3 in the morning. It's called Traders Gangster Nation. Traders Gangster Nation. It's a new song, and I have plenty of songs. I think I released like 3 new songs on everywhere you can find music. All right, moving on. Let us look at S. Let us look at S. We're gonna do S. Blowpin. Sonic. Nice. I like it. Let's go to the daily. Okay, on the daily time frame. Okay, bit of a chop. Chopping. Okay, let's go to the magnet tool. Let's do a high right here. It's right at resistance. Let's do our other high right here. And this is actually a range. So from here to here, bring this over. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is sexy. Oh my gosh. All right, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, let's see here. We can adjust this a little bit. Adjust it to the right. Do it. That'll work. So it stops here. The wicks, kind of bodies, wicks, kind of bodies. I like it. And the top ones are great. This broke out, came back in. All right. Moving on. Let's reduce the opacity on this one. Nice, beautiful breakout. We're right at resistance. We have a pretty good chance that we're going to come down. Now, what is the price range tool? Tell us from the swing low to the swing high. We could possibly, I was thinking re-enter, but possibly bounce off of the 382 Would I enter right now? Not really. Let's go to the 1 hour just so we can get more. Okay. I do think it's going to come back into this zone. So this zone right here, which falls in line with the 382. Man, that's ugly. Let's see with yellow. Man, that's still ugly. I know how to fix it. Get out of here. Served your purpose. Okay. So I think it's going to pull back to right around this level, in this zone. So this is what people call a demand zone, support zone, bounce area, so area support. I mean, so many different names, same thing. So what I'm looking at is potentially price to come back down to about here. Now it's not going to come straight down. It might do something like this. And we're going to enter. Now the question is, how far away is this? Is it worth waiting for, or can we just enter right now and then have a lower entry? Well, let's figure that out. 5%. So what you could do, I like it. I don't think it's going to dump like 30%. I mean, it could do whatever it wants, but I do like it. And because everything is so bullish and it's only 5%, sure, why not? Let's go ahead and enter the trade. Let's enter the trade now. Let's have a lower bid right here. I'll move this over here. So this one, we are going to do a lower bid, YouTube entry, and update this. Today is May the 1st. Wow, May the 1st. Oh, we were all supposed to be millionaires by now. Oh, wrong thing. We're all supposed to be millionaires. What did I do? See here, YouTube entry, May the 1st, 2025. Oh, we're over our time. We'll just call it 1:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. No more questions, no more charts. No more questions, no more charts. Oh, dang it. Okay. So this is actually up here. Okay. And then our lower entry is right. See here, lower entry, there we go. So that's my thought process. And now let's get some targets. Let us get some targets. From the 1 hour time frame. I guess we can use that. So let's just do some nice little targets. We're gonna go from our low to our high to our low. And this is the fib extension tool. And it gives us levels up top. If you're curious on my levels, these are my levels. You can screenshot it if you like. On a Windows computer, it's Shift, the Windows key, the letter S. Shift, the Windows key, the letter S. And that is to screenshot. And what it does, it makes your screen dark or dim. You click and you drag wherever you want and you release it. It saves it to your clipboard. You can right click or Control V and paste it. And here you go. You can paste it on your chart. You can paste it on a document, paste it in your notes, wherever you want. All right, moving on. So here, let us look for some levels. So we're entering right here. And my stop loss is going to be, let's do it. Can we do, yeah, do 15. Let's do 50. So let's just say we're going to do regular trade, no leverage, regular trade. So here would be my stop loss. Let's do stop loss. Let's actually make it official since this is the last one. So here's our stop loss. Okay. Now for my target, I need at least a 2-to-1. So I need 30%. Oof, man, not gonna make it. Ouch. I don't know about this. Sonic. So now what I have to do is I have to look up what's the market cap. So if somebody could do that for me, look up the market cap for S, for Sonic. The ticker is S. You can look up the market cap. That way I can continue doing this. Greatly appreciate it. So let's go to this and to target. And again, for that one, it is S. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. I mean, it's doable. It's very doable. I'm thinking, yeah, 1.7 billion market cap. So for it to move 30%, 36%, that's a pretty big move. Thank you, Dylan. Appreciate you. That's a pretty big move. Can it do it? Sure, of course. I mean, it's done. What kind of moves has it done before? From the break of this to here, 23%. From the break of this to here, 13%. The whole move, 32%. So it can do moves of 30%. I'm just thinking if maybe I should reduce my... No, I like it. You know, once it breaks this zone right here, I think we're going to move. I really do. So I'll leave it. I'll leave it. So let me go ahead and delete this one and this one. And then let's do another. Let's do another. And then I'm going to delete this. That way it's not so messy. I don't like my charts messy. So from here, and then we'll do... We're not going to get too greedy. So Control J. I mean, Alt J. Let's do 50%. And let's copy this as well. Let's put this over here. Paste it. Let's get rid of this. Delete. Much cleaner. I'll have to reduce the size of this text. 16. Okay, I like it. Okay, it's a little messy. So for this, copy, delete. This one, I will do it in a text bubble call out so I can have it done. And then we'll do stop loss. No, we'll put it in red. Boom. All right. Oh yeah, let's take this off too. Nice and clean. I like it. I like it. Elephant, you are very welcome. Here is your setup. I would enter now. Have a lower entry at 0.5529. And then have my stop loss at 0.5035 with about 15% from our current price for the first entry. And once it breaks this zone right here, let's go and identify our zone. Once it breaks this zone, got a lot of zones in here. It's too much of a zone. Once it breaks this zone, let me reduce the opacity of those lines. I think we're in shape. I think, you know, once we do break out of this moon mission. Moon mission. Well, let's go. And I'm always looking to the left. Whenever I'm doing these, I'm always looking to the left. So this is what I think is going to happen. Of course, your first target of around 36% at 0.8110. And then your next target of around 53% at 0.9129. To me, I think it's a great setup, and I appreciate everybody for being here. We got BC Port Corp in the house. What's up, my friend? What's up? Thank you for everybody smashing the like. You guys are great. You guys are great. Let's see here. BC Port Corp says, I got a question. Yes, definitely. See here. When will you come to GMC? Are you talking about the vehicle? When will you come to GMC? What is GMC? I don't know what GMC is. What it do? What it do? I don't know what GMC. So here, while you're typing in GMC, for everybody who just joined in, I strongly recommend everybody watch these videos. I pumped out some videos this morning. Controlled losses. If you haven't heard of that term and it's something new, I strongly recommend you watch this video. Of course, every video you watch of mine, or anybody really, make sure to engage, smash the like, leave several comments asking about or engaging with the video. That does help support the channel. Same thing with stop loss strategy. It's another great video. If you are a YouTube member, I'm giving you a sneak peek into the VIP. Now, do you need to join the VIP to learn how to trade? Nope, sure don't. I show you all this for free every day. If you do join, of course, you have access to me almost 24/7. Exact prices when to enter, like exact prices. On my setups, there's no guesswork. There's zero guesswork. I lay it all out for you. Same thing with moving up the stop losses, putting them in profit, detailed videos. Videos on trades that we are currently in, active trades, and so we do active trades and inactive trades, and of course market when it needs to be done. All right, moving on. Let's see here. Oh, the Good Morning Show. Oh man, I could have done it this morning. I haven't been asleep. I could have done it this morning. I've been up all day, and I drove earlier today too. Ran an errand, and I was like, oh, I don't think I should be driving. I don't think I should, but I got home safe. Yeah, man. Just let me know. And we'll set it up. And I'd love to be on your show. And so here's the thing. Story time. Let's do story time really quick, because you guys are family. I love you guys. You guys are the best. Story time. Oh, for starters, my throat is getting better. Normally, it takes a week for my throat to get better with my tonsils swelling up. It happens about every 10 years. But today, it feels great. Man, God is good. God is good. All right. So without being this a sermon or anything like that, just to let you know that I used to help people across the world, Australia and everywhere else. And they would say, man, Joe, the only time I can do it, but there's no way you can do it. It's like 3 or 4 in the morning your time. Then it's in the afternoon for me. And I said, dude, you need help. And I wasn't even charging them. I was not. This is when I was in another group and I was helping all these beginners. And he's like, man, I can't. I really need more help. I said, dude, I'll do a one-on-one with you, man. And these people have already been approached by other admins, and of course they charge a lot of money. And I was like, well, how much do you charge? Because the others charge. I said, no, I don't charge anything. You already paid for the group. So I do this because I love this. I love helping people. And sure enough, he says, well, it's like 3 or 4 in the morning your time. I said, no problem, man. I said, we'll set it up and we'll do it for this date. We'll do it this time. And you better be there, because I'm going to either wake up or stay awake. Sure enough, I'd wake up or stay awake, and I'd help out those people that were on the other side of the world. Because again, I do it because I love it. Absolutely love it. But yeah, BC, whenever you want, man, just let me know. I will make sure to either stay awake or set my alarm. But yeah, it's all good. Let's see here. Any other stories? I don't think there's any other stories. I have a new song, and then the last story. I like this song. I like this song a lot. So I worked really hard on this song, and I have a lot of songs. So playlist. Now, anywhere you can hear music, you can listen to my songs. It's just, trade intuition, and anywhere you can find music, you can listen to my songs. But we're not gonna listen to them. But these are the ones that I have right now. I have Traders, Gangster Nation. Get a little gangster with it, guys. Getting a little gangster with it. And that is because I was hoping Mr. Brumbelow would be here, but that's because Mr. Brumbelow did this comment. Don't change that station. It's Gangster Nation. I said, that's a song. So I made a song. Took me several hours, but I mean, and it's funny too. I'm making the song. I'm updating my group on the charts that we're doing. I'm getting alerts. I'm posting chart setups for the group. I'm updating the stop losses. I'm coming back to, creating the song. I'm answering the DMs. Then I'm nuts, absolutely nuts. But thanks to Mr. Brumbelow, this was created. So let him know to check out this song. And I hopefully y'all like it. And if you do watch any of these songs or videos or anything, make sure to smash a like, leave comments. I have that one, Where Has the Bull Run Gone? This is from CCM, Crypto Coin Mindset. He made that comment. I said, man, that's a song. Negativity Shatters. If you're feeling down and out, listen to this one. It'll pick you up. Let the shorts hit the floor. This was another comment. And I said, man, that's a great one. This is a great BC Port Corp. You just did another song right there. I'm going to save that one. Hey, we got Shuby in the house. BC Port Corp. I am saving that. Oh, where is it at? I gotta do it. So this is, there we go. This is going to be the next song. I'm saving it right now. So be on the lookout for that song. Let's see here. Mercy of the price action. This is what I always say. We are at the mercy of price action. Losing is part of trading. I always say that as well. And it teaches you about trading as well. So that's what makes these songs very difficult to make, because not only does it have to sound good, but it has to make sense. Buy the Dip. I love this song. Man, I love this song. Everybody says buy the dip, but they don't say how. Buy the dip, but they never say how. I show you how to buy the dip, and I tell you how to buy the dip. The mod squad, I had a bunch of mods in here, and we were doing a 16-hour live stream, and we made a song at around 4 a.m. and it was pretty cool. We made a song together. So this has my mods in there. Jungle tactics, because trading's a jungle. It's a jungle. Trading both ways. And then I have a lot of other songs. Again, anywhere you can find. Is it this? Yeah, anywhere you can find. Like here on Spotify, you search Trade Intuition. I have 5 monthly listeners. Yes, I have 5x'd my listeners, which is amazing. In the past, 2 weeks, I have 5, because before I had 0, and now I have 5. So if you are on Spotify, make sure to follow. Maybe we can do this another X. I don't know. But I have No Emotions, Hindsight Hustler. I love this song. This talks about all the people who trade in hindsight. I also have a new song. Let's see, we can see more. I also have a new song. Here's Echo Chamber, talking about the grifters out there. I have a song about the grifters. Let's see here. Better Days Ahead. This is a motivational song. Buy Signal, Buy the Dip. Chart Thief. This is when I was accused of stealing the chart. This one's funny. Replay Millionaire, which is kind of like the replay Hindsight Hustler, but this one is good too. So definitely check them out, guys. I have a lot of songs, and they keep on coming. And we are 5x. We have 5x in about 2 weeks. Very happy about this. So if you're on Spotify, Trade Intuition, follow me, listen to my jams, and some of them I'll put on YouTube, but all of them go on the other platforms. And if you want to watch on YouTube, it's Trade Intuition Topic. Joe, stop shilling your stuff. Trade Intuition Topic. YouTube automatically does this, so I have no control over it. But 23 subscribers. So if you would like to be 24, then definitely come over here, copy, and paste. And here are all the songs. The only thing with this one, it only plays one song at a time. Spotify, you can just run through them, or you put them on a playlist and then play them all. But they're really good. They're really good. All right, let's see if there's any other questions before we go, and then that will be it. Okay, BC Pork says much love. Might have to be in a few weeks. Have a few guest appearance next week. Hey, look at you. All right. This is probably going to be our next song. Very nice. See, got Shuby in the house. Got Dave P. Guys, all right. So that's going to be it for today. I do thank you very much for being here. If you haven't already, definitely smash the like. I am very thankful for each and every one of you for being here. Most of you know how to trade, and still you spend your time with me. I'm very honored, and just thank you guys so much. Let's jam out to a song. What song are we going to listen to? We listen to all the same ones. I need to change them up. Let's do the fib levels. I like the fib levels. We'll do that song on our closing. Thank you guys very much. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you how to successfully trade without all the complicated terms or pattern memorization. I show you that it's okay to lose. Don't want to, but we do. And I show all this for free. You don't need to join this. If you want, you get access to me. You don't need to join it. I'm here for you. I'm here to get rich with you, not because of you. And I do thank you very much. Now let's jam out, guys, to the fib levels. Teaches you how to trade. Thank you so much.
Yo, trade intuition, reading the charts, Fibonacci levels playing their part. Price runs high and pulls right back. Catch that zone, watch it react. Made by Fibonacci, yeah, the math don't lie. Price gotta retrace before it touch new highs. Golden pocket sitting at that 0.5 to 0.618. Wait for the bounce, it's not too late. Pull back clean to the 382. Still got strength, bulls coming through. Halfway deep, that's a solid bet. But below 0.618, watch your step. Golden pocket, that sweet zone. Catch the retrace, let it be known. 0.5 and 0.618. Watch for the bounce, it's not too late.
Yeah, time it right.
Traders get scared when the price pull back, but that's just the market setting up the track. Watch for that fib retrace, let it hit key zones, then set the trade in right place. Danger zone lurking past that 0.618. Breaks too low, man, it might be too late. If price don't hold, better watch the slide. Next stop lower, bulls might hide. Wait for the move, don't rush the play. Golden pocket holds, then ride that wave. Patience wins, let the fibs align. Wait for the test, then claim what's mine. Golden pocket, that sweet zone. Catch the retrace, let it be known. 0.5 to 0.618. Watch.
Oh, perfect. We'll go over there too. I'll forward it. Thank you. I didn't know he was on.
We don't chase no top. Wait for the pullback, let the price drop. Strong retrace, that's how it goes. Catch the wick, let the profits flow. New traders panic, dump too fast. But pros know that the dips won't last. If structure's strong, then trust the game. Fibonacci rules, it's all the same. Ride that bounce from the 0.618. Stop loss tight.
All right, guys, let's go over to my buddy, Road Dog. Make sure to subscribe and say this Trade Intuition Raid, TI Raid. In 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much, guys. Let's go over there and say hi. Let's roll up the chat.